Yeah, so I messed up big time. This is a lesson that everyone could use. So I screwed up. Me and Mrs. Goggles planned a trip down to Galveston, and it was super fun. We went and had a good time. And I packed my radio, my 5-inch quad, and a 4-inch quad. Most of the island is actually under like a no-fly zone. So I was like looking to fly other places outside of that little no-fly zone. Anyways, the main thing I forgot, brought my radio, my quads, everything except my goggles. And yeah, so I didn't really get anything but like a quick little look up, and you know, I just yaw in a circle just to like show you all the area, I guess. So I got one of those because I brought my DJI with me. So at some point in this video you'll see that, but for the most part this video is just, well, it was supposed to be a fun drone adventure plus other stuff too, but it's just the other stuff now, which was just us going to a aviation museum, and me and Mrs. Goggles going to a naval museum and walking through a little submarine they have like parked out there on Galveston Island. It's really cool. But I'll shut up and we'll roll on to this little adventure. Woo!
A tiny airplane? Yeah, what color's the airplane? Yellow.
Yeah. Here's the old Texan.
Is it a big airplane? Look, someone flipped.
It's cool, you can see the holes in the air brakes. They don't overspeed when they would dive in. This would be 25.
Honey, there's another cover in there for the bigger.
Mm-hmm. That's Mrs. Goggles. Wow, the amount of explosives and ordnance this thing dropped. Holy hell. It's kind of cool. Not kind of cool, this is really cool. Big wing. Some scale models right here. Everywhere. Yeah, Piper Grasshopper right here. These boys are flying in Vietnam. Oh, look, a drone. Look, oh no, it's a Reaper drone. That's cool. This is, I think, the biggest drone I've ever seen. It's cool, they've got the landing gear tucked up. Well, we're gonna go look around a little more. Continental Airlines. That's an antique right there. They're no longer around. The Corsair right there. Super Saver. Beautiful DC-3. All these planes. Oh, hot air balloon. That's good. You got a little guy in there. Wild. Look at these burners. Probably was cold up there. Super Saver, the Skyhawk. I forget what they call that one over there. There's a Sky Raider. Oh, you got the cute little model. A Mooney. That's cool. You'll see these all the time on ADSB flying. Man, the time before regulations. What a wild time. You just build one of these, no regulations. Just go on up. Such a cool.
Oh, a rover?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
The moon landing was faked. Dang. What is this? Old submarine. Here's Rosie O'Donnell's dildo. And the submarine. Hey, this thing's cool. Wild. It's leaking. It's peeing. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing that, but there's Mrs. Goggles. It's great. Wild stuff. Down into the depths. Almost smells like an airplane in here. Whoa. Look at these big boys.
Moses.
It's like maybe the kitchen. Cool hangout area.
You could not pay me money to do this.
No, but you paid money to do this. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah. It's a bit of a tight fit through there. Live electricity, do not flip switches. Yeah, it doesn't sound like a good idea. Dang. Even a room down there.
We are in the depths of the submarine.
These damn gauges. Garbage disposal. Here's the kitchen. Dang, they got some nice little flat tops in here. Crazy. So got some oil there. Here's the dining area.
Into the barracks. It seems. Watch your step.
Dang, look at this big gun. Imagine having to be the guys to...
Looking good down there.
Oh, hello. And we're almost out of film. And there it goes. All right. Thanks for making it this far through my dumb adventure. Yeah, big shout outs to everyone, all the names on the screen. I'll go through and just shout it out right here. Will C FPV, Joe Photo Leo, How High Drones, Flapjack FPV, Off Axis, Spider Sugar FPV, El Gringo, Bot Grinder, Matty Blunts, Joshua Bardwell, XJet, RC Model Reviews, which is XJet's other cool channel. Let's see, Slat FPV, Grim Ripper, Staceman FPV. I've been watching you do your frame. That's been awesome. I'm sorry I haven't hopped in the comments. We'll get there. Life's been busy. I'm like having to rush through life working videos and stuff, but it's still good. We're still having fun. Let's see, where was I? Staceman, and then Zoe FPV and Freedom FPV 84. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching my dumb channel. Or anyone that's not watching my channel, or is or isn't. I don't, it's cool that you're here if you are here. Yeah, so it's a dumb little fun adventure. Went down to Galveston and went to some little museums and walked around. Not really much to look at. It's just fun stuff that I was trying to fly a drone too, but it just turned into, all right, I guess we'll just walk around with the camera and film stuff. But yeah, I appreciate everyone watching my dumb channel, and I will shut the hell up and let y'all get on with y'all's awesome lives. Woo! Thanks, guys.
The hot rod skateboard.